Hi, welcome to Oceasoft Cobalt L3 Startup Guide.
Step 1. Installing Cobalt Set mobile app.
Install the Cobalt Set mobile application from Android Google Play Store or Apple Store application. Make sure to turn on the Bluetooth and Internet connection on your mobile phone before start using the Cobalt Set application. Launch the Cobalt Set application and click Allow for all the permissions requested by the app. Key in your email address and password as assigned in Cobalt View.
Step 2. Setting up the Cobalt L3 module.
The Cobalt L3 module and necessary components are given inside the box. Connect the antenna by tightening it firmly to the module. Insert the battery into the module's battery slot, place the battery cover and tighten it with the screw given. But be sure not to over-tighten the screw. There are few different type of sensor which are compatible with Cobalt L3 module. Connect the sensor to the module by joining the black color connector attached at the end part of both sensor and module.
Step 3. Connecting Cobalt L3 module to Cobalt Set mobile app.
Press the module button and hold for 4 seconds till the blue light blinking twice and your module serial number will appear in the Cobalt Set app. Click on the module serial number to allow connection and synchronization between the module and Cobalt Set app. The module setting will appear on Cobalt Set app. Click Start Mission to allow the setting to be transferred to the module. Click OK on the pop-up message appeared as the settings are successfully transferred to the module. Short press on the module button till green light blinking for 8 times. This indicates no alarm since mission started and both battery and sensor are in normal condition. If outside of the programmed limit, blue and red light will appear after short press on the module's button. This indicates both battery and sensor are in normal condition but the alarm is still not receive acknowledgement from the user.
Step 4. Alert configuration via Cobalt View.
Log on to www.cobaltview.com. Sign in by using your email address and password. All your module status will appear on the dashboard. Click Settings on the left menu panel and click Alert Configuration. Select your site call group which you want to set for the alert configuration. Tick your desired alert mode for email, phone and SMS. Click Save and make sure to double-check your alert configuration setting before log out.